Every year, millions of men over 60 face silent issues related to prostate health. Yet few realize that one common habit, done daily for hours on end, is among the biggest threats to men's health. Overlooked for decades, it slowly weakens the prostate, disrupts vital functions, and raises red flags for serious diseases. Most alarming of all, even today, the majority of men continue this harmful behavior without even knowing it. The importance of prostate health. The prostate is a small gland located just below the bladder, responsible for producing part of the seminal fluid. Though small and often ignored, its role becomes crucial after age 50. Over time, it's normal for the prostate to grow, a natural process that can cause discomfort like difficulty urinating, a constant feeling of a full bladder, or even pain. Left unchecked, these symptoms can escalate into more serious conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia, or in extreme cases, prostate cancer. That's why maintaining prostate health is essential for quality of life, well-being, and independence in later years. Understanding what directly affects this gland is the first step toward preventing complications. Among these factors lies a silent enemy, common yet dangerous, that must be eliminated as soon as possible. The hidden villain, the habit that harms without warning. Among modern-day habits, one stands out as especially harmful, yet generations have overlooked it, sitting for hours on end. Whether it's watching TV, driving, scrolling on a phone, or reading, prolonged inactivity takes a direct and damaging toll on prostate health. Sitting too long decreases blood flow to the pelvic area, allowing toxins to build up and inflaming surrounding tissues. This chronic inflammation weakens prostate function, raises the risk of enlargement, and makes it harder for the body to flush out harmful substances. As we age, the body naturally loses some of its ability to heal. When a sedentary lifestyle becomes the norm, it fuels a steady rise in uncomfortable, persistent symptoms. Lack of regular movement makes the prostate more vulnerable to imbalances, affecting not only urinary health, but overall wellness. This everyday habit needs to be addressed with awareness and action. Direct consequences for prostate health. Extended periods of inactivity don't just affect circulation, they directly impair prostate function. Constant pressure on the pelvic region from prolonged sitting promotes prostate enlargement, leading to symptoms like a weak urine stream, interrupted flow, frequent trips to the bathroom, especially at night, and a feeling that the bladder never fully empties. These signs are often ignored, but they clearly signal that something isn't right. Over time, this pressure can worsen existing issues or accelerate the development of conditions like chronic prostatitis, which causes lower abdominal pain and discomfort during urination. The inflammation caused by inactivity also disrupts hormonal balance, creating a dangerous environment for unwanted cellular changes. These effects don't happen overnight. They build up slowly. And that slow buildup is exactly why so many underestimate the risk. Prevention means taking action now, before symptoms turn into real-life limitations. What to do instead of this harmful habit? Breaking the habit of sitting for long stretches doesn't require drastic changes, just small, mindful choices throughout the day. Simply standing up every 30 to 40 minutes can boost circulation and relieve pressure on the pelvic area. Short walks around the house, climbing stairs, moving your legs, or doing basic chores like sweeping or gardening are great ways to stay active. Incorporating targeted stretches also offers huge benefits. Movements that activate the hips, legs, and lower back help release tension and improve oxygen flow to the tissues surrounding the prostate. Exercises like pelvic bridges, hip rotations, and sciatic nerve stretches are easy to do and safe for older adults. In addition, regular light exercise like walking, swimming, or using a stationary bike improves overall health, lowers inflammation risk, and strengthens prostate function. The key is consistency, not intensity. When you replace sitting still with gentle movement, your prostate responds with renewed vitality, fewer symptoms, and stronger disease prevention. Prostate health comes down to simple yet powerful choices. Letting go of the habit of sitting for hours and adopting small daily movements can transform your well-being in your later years. If this message resonates with you, hit subscribe. Every video on this channel is a step toward natural health, mindful prevention, and a longer life with more vitality, comfort, and independence. Nature always shows us the best way forward.